The question of whether to install Windows 7 by performing an in-place upgrade or a clean installation depends on the amount and type of data stored on the computer, as well as the computer's current performance. Obviously, new computers or computers with a new hard drive requires a clean installation. In the clean installation, you boot from the Windows 7 DVD and create or select a blank partition where the operating system will reside. If the computer is currently running Windows Vista, you must consider whether it is better to wipe out the existing operating system and install Windows 7 from scratch, or install Windows 7 over the previous operating system. The primary advantage of performing a clean installation is that Windows 7 will achieve its best possible performance. Installing the operating system files on a blank disk means that they will be unfragmented, improving disk performance. A clean installation ensures that the users retain the maximum amount of disk space for applications and data. Of course, a clean installation also erases all existing data, so you must be careful to back up everything that the user wants to retain. For home users, there is usually some data to preserve, such as images, audio, and video files, as well as data files for a specific application. Fortunately, we have CDs, DVD, USB flash drive, and external hard drive that make it easy to back up a user's essential data. What can be more problematic in a case like this is the loss of important configuration settings, such as usernames, password, and customized application templates. Be sure to preserve this type of information before wiping out a partition to perform a clean installation. Performing an in-place upgrade to Windows 7 means that whatever disk and registry clutter is present under the previous operating system will remain in place. Files might be extensively fragmented, even to the point of executing poorly and outdated application and data files. Data files could occupy significant amount of disk space if they are not fragmented. The advantage of performing an in-place upgrade is that all of the user's applications, data files, and configuration settings remain intact, but even this could be a problem. Upgrades can generate incompatibilities with the drivers or application that you must rectify before the computer can run properly. In an enterprise environment, it is more typical for users to store the data files on servers, as opposed to the local drivers. Also, a properly maintained enterprise network should document all configuration settings and login credentials. This minimizes the problem of potential data loss when performing a clean installation. Clean installations are generally better in an enterprise environment because they ensure that all the computers are running in an identical system configuration. This eliminates many of the technical support problems that can occur when computers are running different configurations. But upgrade installation are a faster way to keep all of your settings and existing applications in place. Remember, you cannot use image-based installation when you perform an upgrade to Windows 7. You must run setup.x to properly upgrade an existing computer, and only DVD boot installation and distribution share installation use setup.x. Also, remember that only Windows Vista with at least Service Pack 1 can be upgraded to Windows 7. If you want to upgrade from Windows XP, you must do a clean installation or first do an upgrade from Windows XP to Windows Vista and then from Windows Vista to Windows 7.